Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the restriction details shown in Wallet. Note the exact wording and date. Once done, gather your photo ID, a recent bank statement, and your device passcode so you can verify identity quickly. Make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID and on stable Wi-Fi or cellular. This prevents timeouts during verification. You're starting with facts and documents. This speeds approvals and avoids repeated rejections when Apple requests supporting material. You now follow Apple's verification flow inside Settings Wallet and Apple Pay. Tap Apple Cash and choose the Support or Verify option. Carefully photograph and upload your photo ID. Use good light and a plain background. Then enter your legal name, date of birth, and address exactly as on documents. If Apple asks, complete the selfie scan and provide the last 4 digits of your social security number to match records. Doing this accurately reduces manual review delays. Once you submit, expect a 24 to 72-hour review window. Monitor your email and wallet for status changes. If your submission is denied, read the rejection reason closely. Correct any mismatched name, DOB, or address and resubmit with clearer documents. If issues persist, contact Apple support, reference the ticket ID, and request a human review. Explain the exact mismatch and provide the corrected files. One troubleshooting tip. If documents keep failing, try a different ID type or a bank letter to prove address.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.